Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, four-wheel drive, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.